Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is designed here a combination spanner, and a combination spanner is a very useful and helpful very important this body, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today drafting is all point is discussed here one by one, and today drafting is available here in this sketch. And this combination spanner is a very useful, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay guys, this is a combination spanner, and this is a top view and this is a front view, and all drafting value is you can see here on the screen. And this all dimension in millimeter, and ellipse measurement, major axis is 60 millimeter and minor axis is 50 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, this combination spanner is designed here, and how to this body is designed, and this is the body is looking perfect, and all is correct. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and how to this body is designed to discuss here. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first drawing a part and select some basic point. Okay, this document property and going to image quality, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, this geometry is, this drafting is used here. This body is designed, and at first drawing this length is 158.59 millimeter, and both this side is circle, and circle is this hexagon, and this side is a ellipse. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and drawing a center line connect to this. Okay, and mention this center line is a distance between 158.4 is correct. 158.59 means this is a 6. 158.6 is correct. Okay, and click ellipse. Ellipse is this, drawing this. Okay, and this side is drawing a circle. Okay, and this ellipse major axis is 60 millimeter and minor axis is 50 millimeter, 49.2 millimeter, and align a dimension. This major axis distance is a 60 millimeter, and minor axis is a 50 millimeter is better. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this circle is a drawing this circle 42 millimeter, and 30 millimeter is hexagon. 2 hexagon is drawing here, and this is a 42. This diameter is a 42. Okay, and drawing a 2 hexagon. First hexagon. Okay, click 2 hexagon. First is a click this, and this is a vertical, and the second hexagon is a some angle is drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect drawing a this. Okay, and okay, this is a horizontal. Okay, and align a dimension. This is a 30, and again this is a also 30. Okay, this is a perfect. And some portion is trim here. Extra portion means this is a trim this to this, and okay, this is a trim. Okay, this to this. Okay, this portion is trim here because this design is a created here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this to this, this to this. Okay, 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 this is a perfect. All is a delete here. Okay, this is a fully defined because all is black color. And next is a some drawing a center line, because this help of a drawing a center line, and this length is a some increase here, and drawing a center line, this connect to this point to this. Okay, and again this point to this. Okay, this is a perfect. And some angle is a this angle is a this angle is 17 degree. Okay, this is a 17 degrees. Perfect. Okay, and this is a black color, mean also this is a fully defined. And some use a offset command, and offset command is a this okay, this distance is a this, and offset is a this 13 millimeter. And okay, and this curve is drawing here, and this curve is 16.5 millimeter, and this 13. Okay, and this direction is 13 millimeter. Okay, and select bidirectional and select chain, click OK. This is a perfect, and click OK, and use this 3-point arc, connect to this point to this. Okay, this is a created a curve, and curve is a this align dimension is a 16.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a 16.5 millimeter, and this is a 13. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. And use a some extra portion is trim here, and this to this, and this to this. Okay, and okay, and also this is a okay, this 22. Okay, default value is a 22 point. Okay, this is a correct a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. But some this is a cutout is a 6. Okay, this is a 12 meter. Offset is both side, and use offset is a 12, and use a select chain bidirectional, and click OK. Click OK. And some extra portion is also delete here, this too, and this to this, and some is a delete here. Okay, and this portion is also delete here. Okay, and also this delete here, and this trim, and this trim, this to this trim is perfect. And also, and align dimension is this to this is a 12. Click OK. Both is a 12 millimeter, and this is a all is a fully defined because this is a black color and perfect. Okay, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a both side. Okay, this is a correct, and click a mid plane and use a thickness is a 10 millimeter and this thickness 7 millimeter. Okay, this thickness is 10 millimeter and mid plane. Click OK. And also select this and extrude boss and click this, click a mid plane, and this is a 7 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and material is apply here. This is a polished nickel. Okay, and okay, and next is a this is a use a 32 millimeter is fillet and both side, and this is a 24 millimeter is both side fillet is use here. 32 millimeter and both side this to this. Okay, and 24 again select a 24 millimeter both side to this to this. Okay. Okay, and all is looking perfect, and again select a fillet 0.5 millimeter and click this to click this, and again select a this to this. Okay, this. Okay, all is looking perfect, and next is a this is a cutout. Cutout is a this 6 millimeter offset, and okay, this is not mentioned here. This cutout is 2 millimeters perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a select sketch. Okay, select and sketch and use a convert entities. Okay, and use offset. Offset is a 6 millimeter. Select chain and bidirectional and click OK. Okay, 6 millimeter is perfect. Click OK. And this 6 millimeter is cut out, and click a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a this is a counters. Select here this sketch, and this thickness is a 2 millimeter is perfect. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and the fillet is used here. This is a 2 millimeter, and all select this one by one is all is select here because this fillet is used. Then looking perfect. Okay. Okay, this is a delete. Okay, one by one is this. okay, sum this, okay, again fillet is 2 millimeter and select this, okay, use a 2 millimeter, select this, okay, not mention here, this is a this, okay, and again select a this two line, means this is a this line is perfect, and okay, this line is a this to this, okay, this 3 is a okay, 3 is better, and click okay. This is a very nice looking here, and again select a front plane, and front plane is this, and use a mirror, and mirror is select here this cutout and fillet, both is select here, and one by one is control press a control button, and at first select a cut extrude and then fillet, click ok. This side is same, cutout is okay, this is a fully okay, this is a correct, and this is a fillet is also perfect, okay, okay, and isometric view, and all point is a perfect, discuss here, and okay, all point is perfect and correct, okay, and this combination spanner is complete, all process is learn here, okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a foundation bolt design, and this bolt is very useful and helpful. This body is designed, and all is a 2D drafting is also available here, and okay, and 2D drafting is a this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view is one by one is learn here, and how to this body is designed, and this is a use a all dimension is millimeter, and this thread details is also available here. This length is 126 millimeter, pitch is 3 millimeter, and size is M27, and offset is 6 millimeter is outside. Okay, all point is discussed here one by one. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and this body is designed. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and this body is very useful and helpful. Okay, this is a perfect, and isometric view is also this. Okay, today discuss here this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, okay, let's start here. This body is designed. At first select a part, and some setting is very important, plain white, and some use a going to document property, and this is a image quality, and this is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, okay, and at first select a this distance is a this center point, and this distance is 286 millimeter, and this distance is 76 millimeter, and this circle diameter is radius is 30 millimeter, and this radius is a this diameter is 21 millimeter, and okay, this is a fillet is used 22 millimeter, and this thickness is 36 millimeter. Okay, and this use a chamfer 2.5 millimeter 45-degree angle, and use a thread, and this thickness is a 21 millimeter, and this diameter and this is a same. Okay, at first select a plane, front plane, and a line is a drawing here. Okay, and this line connect to this. Okay, okay, and a line is a connect to this line is this, and also a line is a drawing here this. Okay, and center line is a draw here. Okay, this is a center line is this, and click a circle is okay. Okay, and this two line is a tangent, and also this two line is a tangent. Okay, this to this. Okay, this point and this line is a tangent. Okay, this is a perfect coincident. Okay, and mention. Okay, this dimension, this radius is a 30 millimeter, and this length is okay, this radius is 30 millimeter. Assign dimension is this radius is a 30 millimeter. Okay, and some fillet is used here. Some fillet is used this sketch fillet, and click this is a 22 millimeter is correct. Okay, okay, and okay, and some use a trim is this portion is delete here. Okay, and this portion is also this. Okay, delete here. Okay, and assign a this distance is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is 76 millimeter, and this is a 286 millimeter. This is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 76 millimeter. Okay, and this total distance is a 286 millimeter. Okay, and this is a perfect 286 millimeter is total distance, and this is 76 millimeter, and all is perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this radius is a diameter is okay, this is a perfect because this radius is 30 millimeter, is diameter is 60 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and this distance is perfect and correct, and this is a tangent is okay, and this is a delete here, and select this point, and this line is a okay, this line and this line is a tangent. Okay, 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 all is perfect. Okay, and this is a 286 millimeter and this is a 36. Okay, all is perfect. And then exit. Okay, and again going to create a plane. Plane is this to this. Okay, because drawing a circle, sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Okay, okay, this circle is drawing here, and this diameter is a 21. Okay, okay, and exit and use a swept base and automatic. This profile is select here and path is a select this. Okay, this is a perfect. Click OK, and this body is a hide. Okay, this is a perfect. And some chamfer is used here, and chamfer is a this 2.5 millimeter and 45-degree angle, and this chamfer is used, and both side 2.5. This click this and click this and click OK. This chamfer is used and material is applied here, and this is a polished nickel is used. Okay, and this body is design. Okay, and next is a use a thread. Thread is a this thread value is given here. 126 millimeter is length, pitch is 3 millimeter, and size is 27, offset is 6 millimeter. Okay, and active a thread and use a this, click a this, and length is 126 millimeter. Okay, and metric die is perfect, and use a M27 and 3. Okay, M27 and 3 is a okay, this is a perfect. M27 and 3 is correct, and this offset is a 6 millimeter is outside, 6 millimeter is outward. Okay, this is better. And 126 millimeter, this length is 126 millimeter, pitch is 3, and okay, all is looking perfect and correct. And okay, this is a cut thread and use a right-handed thread. Click OK and apply a this thread. Some little time is spent here because this thread value is this thread active, all process is active. Okay, some little time is spent here. Okay, this is a perfect. This thread is created here, and some color is changed here, some dark black. Okay, some little dark black. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and this thread is a very nice looking here, and this body is also created here. Okay, okay guys, all process is discussed here. Guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys. Thank you.